You will need a switch, it's an optional choice, and you will need a 9-volt battery with connector, a buzzer, you will get it approximately of 40 rupees, and a light starter, a fluorescent light starter which is used in tube lights, glue gun, and some wire. Now you have to cut two pieces of wire and peel them from the both ends, and the length of wire should be according to your project. Now you have to connect the red wire of the buzzer and a battery like this. Now connect the black wire of a buzzer from the wire you peel. You have to join it properly for good functioning. Now join the red wire that you have peeled from the fluorescent starter. The wire this. Now connect the black wire of the battery to the red wire. This is the second piece we have peeled. Now connect the second wire from the fluorescent starter, and remember that the wire that connected to the fluorescent starter should not be meet at any place. Now apply some glue stick glue on battery and paste on the surface you want to make it. Now apply some glue on buzzer and also place it on the place. Now you can take a platform for applying some heat, because you need some place to put some candle or any flame below the fluorescent starter. So I have used just a tape, and you can also use apply some glue and paste the fluorescent starter above the tape. Now apply some glue on the wires in the joints to prevent losing. Now let's test it.